If you want to directly contact companies or developers and use Google or LinkedIn to query for relevant websites. Notes Buddy is a Chrome extension that automatically collects emails and phone numbers while you browse. It links this info to each website in tabular form. When you're done, just click Copy and paste it into Google Sheets. You can easily filter your data with default tags like email or phone. But there's more you can do. You can select any text on any website and add your own custom tags. This is useful to track jobs, companies, or information in researches across different websites. Basically, you can attach any number of tags to any selected text for categorization or filtering purposes. And each selected text is automatically linked back to where and when you found it. Let's say you're researching Apple stock. As you browse, you can highlight interesting information and tag it with the Apple symbol along with other relevant labels. For instance, you might add tags like product launch, financial report, or technical analysis. This makes it easy to find all your Apple notes later, but also all snippets related to technical analysis or any other tag. If you are not satisfied or want more, simply ask for new features.